Imagine being a modder for the first time. You just make the entire mod, and then you submit it, and it's just like, no.
Wait, why do you wanna have a modding language in WebAssembly?
Because
that way you can write mods in whatever language you prefer.
Oh, okay, I see. Because then you okay.
Bro,
So
what
that
was
you
a
can-
memory? Nah.
What happened? Oh, I
then
took
you
the
can
wrong
just
thing.
write C and compile it to WebAssembly. I see.
Yeah, but the wasm memory management is so bad though.
Well, if you have, like, if you make mods for, like in Zig or C, you will have to do memory management. WASI should be implemented probably, because right now it's just bare bones WASM. Wait. Mods.
Okay. We'll do a frame. And if I could move, it'd be great. What is this? I don't know what that is. Frame. Custom. There. We'll take this. Okay. There, boom. Planetary Sigma. I don't know if a frame is even worth that usually because they has to get dragged. Actually, no, we'll not do a frame. Okay. Also, I joined the call today earlier. Well, I said I have a lot to do. I also have a meeting, 2 meetings today, still. Which one is in a bit over an hour, and then the next one is an hour after that. So hopefully we can get all of this through. But yeah, I'm willing to sacrifice one of those meetings just to extend this call because this is so cool. Okay, so let's talk. I think the only thing that you really need to know is kind of like where are we going with this game, kind of, right? And from there, I guess you guys we can start to. So I think the question is for you is just like where can you start doing stuff, right? Hello, penguin operator. So this is like the main idea. Risk of Rain and Planet, right?
Wait, someone joined. Is this the guy you've been waiting for, or?
Oh, hi, Ernesto.
Oh, Ernesto, hello. Yeah, that's okay. Wait.
Yeah. Then you also need to give him voice permission.
Yeah,
he just doesn't talk though.
Yeah, he just doesn't
He
talk.
doesn't talk.
Yeah. Ernesto,
What's up?
could you send messages in the YouTube or Twitch or Kick stream? I'm live on all of these platforms. If it's okay. Yeah, YouTube. Okay. Oh wait, but can you guys then see what he says? I didn't think that through now. Can I pop out the Discord
You don't need
chat?
to see.
Can I do that somehow?
You can't.
No.
Like you could make like a OBS overlay with it.
Wait, I'm gonna try. Okay, no, this works. This works. I will just. You can send in Discord. I figured out a way to read the Discord chat good at the same time. So you can use Discord. It's fine. Okay. So Ernesto would probably also like to know about the rendering pipeline. Sorry?
The live stream is called Player Controls Physics Zig and Vulkan.
Yes, probably should rename it.
He's
Plan.
controlling you guys.
Yeah, it's
your players. He's controlling you.
Okay, we're renaming it to Planning Zig Vulkan. Nah, I will planning.
Remember to include from scratch, otherwise YouTube doesn't like it.
Rewriting everything from scratch. Yes, that would.
Every time I go live, if I do it from scratch, I get double the viewers.
That's my mistake. Well, actually, yeah.
I think it's because people assume it means you're starting from the beginning, so they can follow along if they want to.
Yeah, that's
just in down. You can put from scratch everywhere.
Yeah.
Even
Discord stream is not
The more
working.
you put it, the more you get views.
Wait, I will restream the Discord stream also, so Ernesto can look at that. Well, I think Ernesto, can you ask permission to edit in the mirror board so you can then you can also draw that straight on top. Yeah, you can also just follow me on the Miro page. That works too. But okay, so let's see. Shall we begin from... I think the only thing that we need to get to is that you guys can start doing stuff, right?
Yeah.
Correct.
Yes. So I think maybe the question... You guys have questions then to ask where you could start. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So let's see.
Can I pass the vibe check? Sure. Oh,
Let's
I made
see.
this yesterday. I'm just pasting the chat.
Would you guys like to... I think you guys compared a lot with the... What's it called? Sideros and the rendering for it, and then integrating it to this thing. Integrating parts of Sideros into Planetary Sigma, as I call the project.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm still quite familiar with the Sideros code, even though it's not being touched since months, basically. But
Should do you, Lorenzo, want to be then taking, or like kind of like looking that through how you could take part from Sideros into this project?
yeah, I mean, we could look into integrating the rendering pipeline because it was basically complete, especially for meshes, and maybe the model loading because it's like 1/5 of the number of lines of code.
Sigma balls.
Yeah, okay. No, okay. Let's see. How I should probably like explain maybe a little bit how I do the creation. Well, actually what I do for I don't know, I find like this is still like very convenient, but I think how it's I would trust you, Lorenzo, just on the like the idea of you being pretty good at just how dynamically and easily was it to create, like, are we talking a whole like graphics pipeline to switch it out and create something new?
Check out, go to the Git,
I
to the
got
Git
this.
page of Sideros and
Is
okay,
this-
check out rendering, SRC rendering. No, this is the mods folder.
This is the mod for SRC. I ain't Vulkan instance, but
And
you
in
rendering
and stuff.
and stuff. Oh, okay. So you do.
You should like reply to Harald. Sideros is written in 0.15, so that's why it uses deprecated stuff.
Yeah, right.
Okay, so
That's
you
it.
have graphics pipeline, which comes from. Okay, so you have a Vulkan that is called graphics pipeline. Ah, okay. Okay.
So I basically have 2 pipelines so far. I think you can run it to see how it works.
Wait, can I? Yeah,
but
can
I
I
basically have multiple.
get the project and try
If
it
you have
out?
0.15 installed, you can run it.
I use any SIG. So. I can actually.
Also cut NYA.
I think I can. Wait. I will have to quickly. I will quickly just disable the thing just so. This is a important call we have regarding so adding more people to the project, basically. So I won't pay much attention to the live stream chat. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna pay more attention to the new people who will be helping with the project.
You mean
Yeah.
victims?
Victims, exactly. How about I think is this the most important thing right now that I could be doing to check out this thing and how it works? Or I would probably just trust you, Lorenzo, also with just switching if you feel like it would be more effective, because I know you have great experience.
Yo, it's cheese to the cake.
Yo, what's up?
So the thing is, the Zero's source, like source code, has been rewritten 2 times.
Hmm?
So if we take parts of the engine,
Hmm?
it will probably be clean. I saw. I took a quick look at the code, and I saw that you're basically initializing
Hmm?
everything in one big chunk of state. So you basically end up creating OpenGL over Vulkan, which is
Basically, yeah.
something that I kind of love.
Mhm.
Um,
No,
while the approach, yes.
I think no, like it's if I know that's basically what I do, yeah, and I think that yeah, if you have done extensive like changes and iterated on this already, so if you would be up for it and find a way to change this, of course you're free to do so. I don't know, it might be a little bit
In
tricky.
pipeline has the eliminated state.
The-
So also the thing is, Citrus add everything. Every mesh is baked on startup, so I
Yeah.
have this big vertex buffer
Hmm?
that contains all the meshes inside,
Yeah.
and then the pipeline just indexes using instancing over that vertex buffer that's populated at
Oh,
startup.
okay.
So I don't pass around Vulkan handles anywhere. Everything is basically an index inside a big buffer, including lighting, reflections, materials, and stuff like that.
Okay.
So it's a bit more dynamic as a pipeline,
Yeah.
which I think could be better integrated in your hot reloading thing.
Yeah, like main idea still with this project is continue on with the hot reloading, even for when it gets to the multiplayer part. But then there comes the question to kind of like separating the physics to be just server side and the client will just render stuff. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, but honestly, I think let's see, is it just Zig build run for Sideros?
Yeah, Zig build run, but
Either
need 0.50
you
build.
should. Oh, so I have to do wait. Is it just 0.15 like this? No? How do I wait? Missing. Okay.
I think
No.
it's 0.15.1.
I did 0.15.2. I think that's the stable release of
That should still work.
0.15.
Yeah, it should
okay.
work with
Well,
stable.
it's downloading. Okay, well that one is going on in the back. So I think should we also we can do a Trello. I can do it after this, but for now we'll just put everything in here and go from there.
Mhm.
So I'm gonna call you Lolz. If I could type.
Well, that's my nickname.
So you will look into integrating. Is this the right way of Sideros to planetary? Let's see what happened. It kind of went through, but then it broke immediately. It's greater than uniform max range. Okay, so okay, that's just okay. So there's a few, but that's also
probably
okay.
latest
Yeah.
Yeah, probably latest commit broke with. You can check out to the previous one.
Is it just git checkout and that thing? Yeah. No, also broke.
No, the one before called like fixed dynamic buffers, and it probably broke
this
dynamic buffers.
fixed. Wait, this one is the fixed. That one I'm currently on.
Yes, the fix is probably the one that broke it. So
Okay. And the fix is the one that broke it. Great.
correct commit message should be broke dynamic buffers.
Fix OS compatibility. Move over to stdio reader. Migrate to the new std array. I don't know. No, this one also. Git log. Can
That's
I?
great.
Let's see. Is there anything? GitHub mirror dynamic. Migrated to new array. Added window. Change the
Mirror
range
should
texture.
work. I think that sounds correct. Oh wait, you should do Zig clean probably. Like
Ah.
remove the
Whoops.
the .zig cache folder and Zig out.
There is no command for it, is it? So rmrf
No, you have to.
and the cache. Well, I'll just gonna pray that this is enough. No, okay. Because the cache usually
Zig.
then removes. Do you mean like wait? No, the local one, right? They have a Zig cache. Okay.
Yeah, that's Zig cache. And then you check out to the. Yeah, the WASM part was done by Lucky and Ernesto. I worked on rendering only and ECS.
Yeah. Okay. But so is this one fine, or should I just take the?
No, check out the added GitHub mirror to
This.
source up builds. Yeah, that should work. And if it doesn't, it works on my machine.
Sounds great.
True.
Nah, still breaks.
Yeah, I will just say it works on my machine.
Sounds good. Sounds good.
I think I've built Sideros at some point.
Yeah, but it's okay. It's I still I know Lorenzo has, as long as if you can make it compile and run, we're happy. and try that the hot reload also work. I think that's also should be a rule that compile, run, and hot reload, because the hot reload will be like kind of the core idea. So just ask me if you got this thing. I think this will be enough for you just to get going, and you can DM me anytime and I will respond and try to make a better structure for how to move forward on everything. But I think, do you feel comfortable with just this information?
Yeah.
All right. I probably have to add you guys as contributors as well to the GitHub. Who shall we take?
Poor guys.
Shall we take Gilded next?
Probably Ernest. I don't know if Ernesto wants to implement WASM.
WASM? Okay, wait. Actually, guys, send me your private DM me your emails that you want access through GitHub, and I will add you guys as contributors so you can also get going on this. I will also send the GitHub link of Planetary Sigma to you in the chat. Oh, that's not it. There.
Oh, someone about self-hosting, I think.
Oh,
What?
that could
Oh
also.
yeah, I use OpenBeaver.
Let's see, Ernesto. Yeah, okay. So shall we then take Ernesto real quick about Cheesecake is wondering how I met you guys. These guys are also like another group. They it was Lorenzo, right, who found me through my Minecraft clone project when I did those series. I think wasn't.
That's how everyone found you.
Yeah, okay. I should go back to making the Minecraft clone in C++.
Yeah, for real.
But let's see, Lorenzo. Cool. Sorry. Now my finish is coming in. Help! What is Sidorus? Where's no read? Let's see, Ernesto.
There is no reason.
What is
How there is no reason?
Why is there no read?
There is an documentation folder.
Sorry?
There is a documentation folder with a lot of files.
Nice.
Um,
Let's see, Ernesto. Do you have? Let's see. Let's ask the question. Do you first of all know the core game loop, and is there something that you would like to work on that, or do you want to do some other technical kind of thing, and or do you have any ideas you would like to do on? I guess it's hard to know what you want to do if you don't know the full core game loop, because then I could just maybe go in more detail on that. Not at the moment. Okay. Wait, what did you answer? Did you answer to you don't know the core game loop, or that you don't have anything specific you would like to do? Also, I'm not very good on solo working on something. I get bored easily. I get the core. Okay. Well, great. What's this? How do you integrate game into another game? Okay. Integrate Sidorus features to Planetary Sigma. You get the core loop. Do you actually? You told me about rotors, right? Yeah. Okay. Well, I mean, okay, this is really bad because I use. Okay, I'm gonna quickly show you, but I'm gonna ask you and you tell me what you think. Okay. In the ECS, I use a transform 3D, which uses a Euler's rotation right now, and this is used everywhere. It's used in the rendering, in the physics, in the everywhere, basically, where the ECS comes into being. And this would you like to implement basically rotors, changing the system to use rotors instead? Also, right now this is just in the SIG cache, so this would probably have to be. We probably would have to take this as a separate file in the whole project. So when we do changes to the mat library, everybody gets the changes and not just the cache. Because it's a really small mat library made by Harold. Or yeah, I can work on porting the project to Mac first.
It is small.
About that, since I'm going to work on the Mac as well.
Yeah.
We can probably first work on porting the very basic layer of Sidorus to this project. So Sidorus already runs on Linux and Mac.
Yeah.
And there is some objectives going on, which is not the thing.
Yeah. But how about this then? So can I put you both on doing then the integration from Sidorus to Planetary Sigma? Would that work? Because if you both use macOS integration.
Yeah. Because we are both familiar with Sidorus, so
yeah,
we can work together on that.
Yeah. So then
Gilded is the one because he's a lazy fellow.
No. No, I was learning Vulkan at the time, and then you guys finished the render before I could finish learning Vulkan. And then y'all gave up on the project, so I just been sitting there for 6 months.
Okay, but
that might be true.
Also, you don't have to be kind of like, the only rule that is like very strict is just push to do a PR when it compiles, runs, and hot reload works. Anything else you can pretty much mess around and do whatever you want, and we will go through
hot reload.
What?
You really care about hot reload?
I really care about.
Know, that's what I'm thinking.
I really need that hot reload. All right.
That's unclear code.
I'm actually gonna write for my English essay I'm gonna research on hot reloading and dynamic libraries. So if you guys got any good resources, let me know. It can also be about why it's bad, because then I would also get to know about that. So good or bad, neutral, whatever, let me know. Okay. But then Lorenzo and Ernesto will work on the integration from taking Citrus features into Planetary Sigma, making it work for Mac OS. And then Gilded,
What's up?
do you have anything in mind
Okay.
right now that you would think of, you would like to do, like, you know, that this would be it?
I really like game design in general.
Okay.
So if I could like do core game loop things, I'm pretty good at that. Also,
That's
I
great,
can
because
do
we don't have one.
I can do some pixel art. I'm not like amazing at it, but for programmer art, I got you.
Yeah, no, that's
Now you're a
fantastic.
master.
That's actually, like, you see what they got in, you know, Risk of Rain, right?
Of course, I love Risk of Rain.
Yeah. So I mean, I think that's kind of like the top, like upper limit that I'm looking for in regards to design. Probably even more low poly than that. And but let's see. You said I think the core idea is still to get some kind of gameplay even working, but I guess we could, or you could actually. I'm gonna ask two things. You can tell me even a third option if you want to. So if you would like to do a little bit more design on the actual game design, the game loop, a little bit more planning, or would you like to do because you already know Vulkan and Sig and C, would you prefer to do something in regards to what's it helping me get the rotors working?
Oh, okay. Well, I can try to learn. I can try to learn rotors because I think the first thing we need to do is probably get the game running.
Yeah. Actually, okay,
But
wait.
from there, I can.
Yeah. There is.
Sorry. From there, I was thinking maybe I could focus on like implementation of enemies and items, stuff like that.
Yeah. There's. Okay, wait. So you. Okay, this is currently the problem. We have the planet, like this. We have the player which is not doing what it's supposed to be doing, and that's the solution to all of the problems will be with rotors. That will resolve. I assume I'm making a big bet here, but I think rotors will solve all of our problems.
Oh,
hmm?
Ernesto kindly has sent a link, and I guess now it is my job to learn this. So I will learn this.
Okay. And then one thing before we go into the enemies is right now, I should probably talk with the one who is most experienced with kind of like architectural design to this, but the hot reloading is kind of like, because we want to go to multiplayer region, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we have the systems, and inside of systems, I right now have physics, input, and renderer. I think maybe well, basically what we want to, this is client as of now, client, and this would be server, right? What we would like to do is to take the physics away from the client and just put it in the server, right? So this is kind of like step 1, step 2, and once we have this, I guess we could start looking into the enemies and that kind of stuff. Does that make sense, or do anyone have any critique?
No, makes sense.
Time to
The
remove.
two rules we have are it has to compile and it has to hot reload.
Yeah, has to compile, run, and hot reload. Yes.
Gotcha.
So the server will hot reload too. Both client and server will be hot reloadable. That's.
Damn, not even the server could survive with clean code.
That's hot.
That's hot.
Yeah.
because right now the client is kind of the server at the same time, so yeah. Yeah, should we do? I think if we don't do too much, I don't think it's too much to ask for, because we are not doing anything major. Like, we can still do all of the physics on the server and then just let the client illustrate it. But yeah, okay, so then we got it. Ernesto and Lorenzo doing this thing. Poor Gilded will be doing rotors. Oh my god. I apologize still for the bad code base, but I guess you guys just be honest, criticize it, and ask for me what I was thinking, and I will try to explain my best and do better in the future.
He's not gonna do better in the future. The only thing I've been doing here, my job, my full-time job, of course, is complaining about his code. I've been employed for like almost a year. It's not improved very much.
Okay.
Unpaid intern.
Could you add us
Yeah.
to the GitHub project?
Yeah, I will do
Okay,
that. I just wanted to make sure that you guys have something that you can do before. So things are clear right now for everyone.
I
Alright.
know what I'm supposed to do.
All right. Yeah, and just ask questions whenever, and I will try to figure out how to explain things better if anything comes up. I will now add you guys to the repo. You guys sent me your GitHub name, whatever, you know, and I will do this on my other monitor. One guy in the chat asked, "Are we hiring interns right now?" No, they are my comrades. This is communism now.
Yeah, it's like the real one. No one's getting paid.
Okay.
Yeah.
So my PayPal link is
Yeah, there's the honest money to these guys.
I'm expecting full payment by Sunday. Full salary. Okay. Yeah. Okay, good. Now I need to figure out what well, I think I should probably like clean up a bit of stuff, or delete a few branches, stuff like that to begin with. When there's actually people involved, right? I didn't count.
Let's restart.
Nah, the OpenGL branch is still used.
Yeah.
Wait, how many branches are there?
6 or 7. Oh my
Oh,
god!
he made an entire tree.
There's actually 6 or 7 branches. I don't remember, but
Did someone say 6 or 7?
Okay.
that's
So Lorenzo is going to remove Rust, and then he will continue with Citadel.
Yes.
Yes.
Rust.
Yes.
that's fine. That's fine. I'm giving him right now the permission to do that.
Wait, when we move Spacetime DB?
Yeah, Spacetime DB is going bye-bye right now.
Damn, it finally happens. We waited how many years now?
How many?
6 or 7?
How many years?
I don't know. That's like 6 or 7 too many.
Ernesto, can you please compile Sidros? Because I can't find the Vulkan header.
Oh, no.
Oh
No,
yeah,
I got, guys, Nick solves this. I got this.
Nix.
Gilded please show that Sidros runs and it's Lucas machine issue.
That would be crazy.
That is not even. Don't even say that, bro. You're gonna jinx it.
no.
It's gonna
Not working
happen now.
on my machine either because macOS is crazy with library.
Okay, yeah,
Yes.
I'm gonna.
Link framework.
Okay. So
Not even framework this.
Oh damn.
you guys should now be added. So yeah, I think now you can start removing Rust if that's what you wanna do.
Finally.
Wonderful.
Remove the make files.
Oh yeah,
Good luck
those
finding
two.
them though. They're hidden somewhere.
There were make files in it.
There's like 20% make file there.
Alright, let's remove Rust.
Okay, I think we are right now going towards a little bit of more of a chill state, so I will put on the music provided by our friend that I forgot the name of, Iris.
Iris.
Windows
Yes.
Iris.
So the music is coming on right now.
What kind of friend are you, bro? Is forgetting who wrote the music that you use?
Yeah. Let's see. I will also just.
see what's
Lorenzo, what version of Zig does Sidoros use?
0.15.1 technically.
Okay.
0.2 should work as well.
Wait, can I ask, are you using any like environment variables or argument parsing there?
No.
Good. Because
So
otherwise they
Mac
would be.
decided that Vulkan doesn't exist.
Yeah, they actually removed Vulkan in the latest version.
No, actually, Vulkan has never been on macOS directly, but Molten VK should work, especially if I installed it right now, this moment.
Is that
And
a metal thing?
I can see the header.
Harold. I gotta show you something in a second.
Wait. Okay, good. So, I'm gonna also delete the server branch because that's the one I have been using because I'm lazy.
Why is there a file just called tilde? And
That's,
it has, like, a ton of stuff?
Yeah, I thought yesterday.
It's because I use NeoVim. I don't know. I have clumsy fingers. Somehow I don't know how I did, but I saved a file called tilde.
3 weeks ago.
3 weeks.
That's backup.
Yeah, back in the gate. Yeah.
You never know.
Like
if
I
it will go
always
down.
had tilde as in the git ignore because Vim does that thing.
Yes. But oh my god, that's so hard. But please, guys, honestly, at any point, if you got any questions, let me know. I'm so hyped about this.
Now progress is gonna be, instead of 0.1% or like 1%, it's gonna be well, double, triple.
Yes, it's gonna be crazy amount. No, but these guys are actually like smart. Okay, so
Oh,
it's gonna.
where'd you get that idea?
It was an angel that spoke to me yesterday.
Lorenzo, what the hell is this? Not that. Hold on.
What?
What is? Explain this to me.
What?
What did you do?
That's Nix.
No,
Yes.
that is 100% Zig.
That's on me.
It is most definitely not so.
Yeah.
I'm wondering whether it would be faster to just integrate hot reloading inside the Sidoros engine.
And then remove everything that Lucas made and just fork your thing. Yeah,
No.
probably.
The Lucas hot reloading, and we put it inside Sidoros.
You do not want hot
No.
reloading, trust me.
Hot reloading is the
Lorenzo,
goat.
No.
You said the latest commit was what broke it?
No, it worked on my machine. I swear, for real. Like
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
paid
The latest commit was you just adding a new license.
Harold, go to
Right.
tchef.org right now.
Alright.
It's not perfect, you know, but it's something.
Is there something? I see the typing, bro. It's so bad.
Yeah,
And the
it's so bad.
cursor also.
Oh, what cursor? There's no
And it's like a
cursor.
little thing. I think like an eye beam, so I can see where I'm typing.
Oh yeah. Nah, bro. I think I have more issues to solve first.
Right.
But yeah, we'll do this.
Yes.
How is your math library that you guys got? You use matrices for everything?
What do you mean?
Or quaternions also, but
Yeah,
You-
quaternions for rotations, matrices for the rest.
okay.
And there is also transform. Most of like right now that project is basically a renderer and the WASM engine.
Hmm.
For some reason macOS decided not to find Vulkan,
Oh yikes.
so I hate macOS so bad.
Interesting.
Did you compile it, GitLab?
1 second. I'm trying to figure this out. Why would you?
Okay, actually you have pretty good let's see. I'm just looking at the source code that you guys got.
Okay. I don't think it's macOS because it's not finding Vulkan for me either.
Go to cdrosapi.h, change the include from a local to a global one.
Where is that?
src cdros_api.h.
And you said change what to what?
The include vulkan.h. Now it's a local one. It should be a global one.
Oh, it shows up as that for me.
How do you guys do with shaders? Do you compile them during build or runtime?
Right now it's compiled at build time,
Hmm?
but there was something I was working on.
Hmm?
Show if it still exists. Yes, it does. Which is this.
Yeah.
I was basically making a custom shading language that compiles to Spear V.
Oh, okay.
Bro, you Zig.
Wait, what? Checking that you're not the... Okay, this took a while.
You are a bot.
Ah, shit.
That's why it took a while. They got you.
Yeah, Zig has a Spear V target. But the thing is, it doesn't yeah, exactly. It doesn't support a lot of stuff.
Yeah, but you can do some stuff like from scratch. If you feel
Yeah.
like it.
Yes, you can. You will end up doing inline stuff.
Yes.
I think it's easier to have something dedicated, like that's designed for that. That's still similar to Zig.
Some. Somehow.
Nah.
Lorenzo, what did you do?
Harold, go to teachingchef.org.
Not compiling from. How is not compiling, Ernesto? Oh my god. Do
Wait,
I,
Harold, it can be that it doesn't work because it cached something. It could be.
No typing.
Ah, fuck, yeah.
do I have to turn on my other computer and see if it compiles?
Bro, turn on all your computers. It's for good luck.
I still can't find Vulkan. I changed it to global, but
Yeah, I'm also on ARM, Ernesto.
You're using ARM, guys? Jesus. Why?
No, I use leg.
Shut up.
Apple Silicon. No?
Uh, Damn. Let's see. I'm gonna quickly look into the. I wonder if I should even join the meeting. 20 minutes and I would have to go, but I mean, I think you guys are pretty much
Just be
fine.
there and here. Bro,
Yeah.
leave the stream on so they can just be cooking, alright? And then you can just go have your meeting.
Hell yeah.
true.
No, I don't know, like, see, I'm trying to see about what's the status for the other meeting.
Bro, you just be in the meeting also while you're here. You can switch back and forth.
Guys, can anyone tell me the ASCII value of a space character without researching it?
33, I'm guessing.
Alright. Is that a guess or I actually know?
I guess. Yeah.
Alright, I will trust you.
Lucas, can you show me the validation errors you were getting?
Yeah, sure. It was something to do with the from the master branch or from this one. Right descriptor sets I got.
From yeah, the non-master one, the one before dynamic buffers.
HF 32. I was so close.
Ah, alright.
The one before dynamic. Wait, dynamic buffer, so you mean this one?
Yeah, that one.
Alright, I have to tell it. 0 point.
I think it will do the thing.
Think it will do? No.
Did it? Oh wait, yeah, it did. Okay. Because you're seeing the terrain and the thing, and then it crashes.
Yeah, so it gets to do like a few loops to render, but
Oh, it crashes because your GPU doesn't. Okay, it's overflowing on your GPU. What GPU do you have?
I have a GTX 1070.
Yeah.
That's probably why. Okay.
Old.
Old.
I tested on RX 6700 XT.
Okay,
So-
then yeah. Let's see.
Good to know. Good to know.
Yeah, good to know, good to know. Let's see, UTC 719 ES. I'm gonna check with a friend who is attending this meet and also how he is planning to do this.
Guys, I'll be back soon.
Alright.
I have to go have dinner now.
Yeah,
So see you all, guys.
see ya, take care.
Yeah, see ya.
Love your videos, keep going. Thank you, Blite. Okay, but this is pretty fired and that I actually got like you guys with it. It's so fucking cool. Holy shit. I'm happy. I'm really happy.
Lucas, go to ttshop.org really quick.
I need to look into okay, I promise that I will look into the a few things. Let's see. Okay. Am I supposed to do
Yeah, you
something?
can click
Or
there. Yeah, click in the search bar.
I'm clicking.
Now type in.
Nothing
Now
happens.
type.
No link to select. What? It's not. Maybe it's. Do I have like some cache?
Shouldn't. You shouldn't. It works on my machine.
Is it a graphic card thing as well? Is it because I'm a GTX 1070 it's not working? Nah, bruh, nah.
What?
But yeah, actually I'm a bit like, what should I do when I got you guys with me? Maybe because I think if Lorenzo and Ernesto will be doing this thing, I'm a bit unsure if I should try to implement anything to major in the system. What I want to work on, I think I could actually start looking into how to separate server and client. Has any one of you done multiplayer and separated logic like that before? Because otherwise I could probably start looking into doing that.
I have not.
Like I have
Okay.
done it a little bit.
Okay, well,
but I'm not sure if I could help you very much.
server client, yes, okay. Don't have the code. Okay, but I guess that's something I could start on working on. I got Harold who has done it, and well, T-Chef who has been part of that, so I can probably start looking into how to even structure it, right? Shit, I have a book that I'm reading on multiplayer that I'm kind of putting on the side right now for some other cool stuff about learning and psychology. But it's okay. It's okay. I will figure this out. And then once you guys complete some system stuff or this, I can probably like introduce you guys to this thing as well. So actually the branch that I just deleted is the branch that I will recreate now because I will start working on the multiplayer stuff. So I'm not call it server. Wait, what kind of will start making the server?
I think Ernesto wasn't added to the GitHub yet.
Wasn't? Wait, I think I did add everyone. Maybe I didn't. I will try again. Let's see. Ernesto. Let's see. I did. Let's see. We'll check again. Oh wait, manage access there. Ernesto is added. All of you are there. Pending invite. It says. Ernesto hasn't just accepted it.
I see.
But it's no worries. I did the same mistake when you guys requested access to the mirror. I was like, why do I make there? I was like, where is it? And then it's literally like in a message that I'm stupid. Check out dash B server, I think. So already exist. Okay, how do I remove a branch in Git? Or remove files from the working. No, I want to destroy a branch. Do I do branch -h G? Yes, perfect. Capital D, delete branch
Just
even.
do it over the UI.
What UI?
GitHub.
I don't do it. No, I deleted it from GitHub, but if I do git,
Oh,
I have all of these.
git branch -a.
Yeah, I have local branches, which yeah, I shouldn't, but I do. But I think I will go to the call then as well, after or in a bit. And yeah, I think you guys are fine, and then I am fine if I start doing multiplayer or trying to figure out how to do this physics client stuff. Harold, are you here? Don't tell me this guy is away when I need him the most. There is an STD6 server. I don't know what it's used for though. You can't. The point of Git is to keep the history. I think you should do server physics first. Yes, you're right about that. And then port to client. Well, the thing is, like, hard part is client. Should I? How do we want to do this in the build? Do I like do we have separate build scripts for server and client, or do you do in the same build create a binary for the server and for the client? Same build.zig. Yeah. There's no crates. Okay. There's no crates in Zig. I'm a bit unsure still about the client because you need to predict what will the server. I'm a bit unsure about the doing client prediction to avoid adding physics on the client side at all, because that would be really convenient if we could just avoid it. But you could still do some kind of prediction with interpolation, I guess, where you don't really require physics. Yeah, so there shouldn't be lag issues. Yeah. Playing on local host won't provide lag issues. Yeah, exactly. Okay. Let's see, what do we have? I'm thinking inside of source, I used to have net here. I will completely just delete everything inside of here and reuse it and create a server.zig. I think so. Needed, but the problem... Yeah, the problem is for future us. I think client prediction is also something that I have read a few books on multiplayer, and there they mentioned also like you can in a lot of cases you can still get away without doing any kind of prediction and any kind of like simulations on the client side. It's only when you really need to do it that you should be doing it. Like there's a lot of cases where you don't have to do it. Simulation was the wrong word there, because the simulation is what you representation kind of what you do there, but not having to, well, I don't know, simulate. But yeah, basically allowing the server to be the full source of truth, and the clients will just replicate whatever the server says. They will not even try to think for themselves what is gonna happen. But of course, animations, effects, once we get to those kind of things, well, then we'll have to that server shouldn't have to worry about. But yeah, I will help Lorenzo out a little bit and removing a few of these ones. And then I will create a in source, let's see, net, and I will just call it server.zig for now. So there we have the server.zig, and then right now this is called main, which may be a bit misuse of the thing, but it's okay. Let's see, that this should still compile and run though. I might use some of that somewhere. Let's see. Yes, I don't. I knew it. Okay. So I will remove that from the build script as well. Whoa.
Okay, wait, Lucas. If you go to tchef.org now, so if you press on the search bar,
Yeah?
yeah, okay, and if you now type with your keyboard,
I can type H. E works.
Is it because
wait.
because of Finnish?
I have, because of this exclude keys from this page.
Ah.
Save changes. Okay, now. Okay, that's J. Okay, now it works, yeah?
Yeah. File
That's-
search wise.
Okay, so it's that's something would happen. I was like, hello, enter. Where nothing happened?
Ah, no, nothing happens at the moment.
Fire, absolute fire. Holy shit, good job. Alright. 54. Where is the meeting taking place anyways? I should probably know this. Is there like a...
Wait, it's completely bugged. That's crazy.
Yeah, okay, it's taking part. Okay. Let's see. It's happening about right now in 5 minutes. Oh, the host is already in the call. Okay. Well. No such a file there. It doesn't say which line, but I know it's at the top somewhere. Just let's see if I can just search space time. We don't want to use anything to do with space time. Space time, go bye bye.
I've successfully built Ceros. Let's see if it runs. It does run, and it crashes immediately.
That's crazy. Okay, nothing found to do with space time. Let's see. Still? Where is it getting? Could not read.
Oh, it's just a.
I'm
It's
back.
a buffer overflow. Nice.
Yo. It sure will.
Buffer overflows. I love myself some buffer overflows.
Harold, I'm gonna start working apparently on the multiplayer part.
Okay, I can help you, I guess, because
Yes.
I know networking in Zig.
That was exactly what I was thinking. I removed the
Yeah.
space time, but actually I have to go in 4 minutes. But I think I will go now, so I will be early for the call. And I'm happy. We got more people. Harold might even join because now I have people who will help me make it look good. So Harold might be appealed.
If
Right.
they manage to clean it up and not overuse aliasing, I might add, then I will maybe join.
I think we'll figure something out. I think a mat library could actually be part of the thing, you know, instead of having it as a separate module or include or import. But I'm gonna have to go so I don't get late for the call. So I get early for the call. This is gonna be freaking cool. We got 3 whole more people working on the thing. Oh my god. It's gonna be awesome. Okay.
I also gotta get going as well.